How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, and I have to go back to ticker AMC, and I got to talk about it because I know a lot of people are interested in it, and yeah, it's got a lot of volume. A lot of retailers like it, so it's definitely not something just to shove off the side. If there is a trade for it, I will alert it, and we will make massive money on it. As I look for any reversals in the market that are bottoming out to make massive gains. So I am Reversal Trader King, and I look for precise bottoms in the market. And a little bit about me, I've been doing this full time for over 6 years and making massive money on corrections and basically looking for reversions to the mean. It doesn't have to be the exact bottom I'm looking for. I'm looking for corrections, and I'm going to show you the system here in a minute. And before I get too deep into it, I do want to alert or tell you about it because I do have a premium Discord, and if you're new, experienced, intermediate, it doesn't matter your level of training. You will learn a lot based on this Discord for only $6 a month of what you're going to get how my system works more in depth, my swing trade alerts. These are very, very nice. I just want a 30% on BCAN. But what you'll see is my exact entries and then my exits and how I operate. So I just wanted to get that out. If you don't stay till the end, if you do, obviously you're gonna love this system. And let me get right back. And if you want to join that, go down to the YouTube comments below and you'll see it. So basically, I traded this many times. Obviously, not a lot of people like AMC. It's either you love it or hate it. But I obviously love it because I haven't lost any money on it, and I made thousands of dollars doing this strategy on it. So basically what you want to look for is price to be as close as possible or touching the bottom band along with a low K on the KDJ, which is this line right here I'm scrolling over. And when I say low, I'm looking for like at least under 5, ideally under 4 for very low price stocks. Oh, sorry. And then the main thing what you want to see is time distance of the EMA 10, which is this yellow band. I want to make it as vibrant color as possible because this is extremely important. Because this is the most important band you're going to look at. I customize these are Keltner channels. I customize it to be very nice settings to where if it does hit this bottom band, it is a nice zone. But honestly, you're going to need a lot of training on this. That's why I have the Discord to educate you on all different kinds of scenarios, right? So right here is time distance. What I want to show you right here is 102. It hit the EMA 10, the yellow band on my chart. And then the next time it touched was 122. So when we're saying time distance, that's mean there was no candles touching this yellow band or the EMA 10. That is called time distance. And when you have something not touching it for a long time, like at least, if it's getting close to a month, that is long. If it's over a month, that means you buy heavy if it's anywhere close to the bottom band because it's going to rush to it, and that's exactly what this did. We went from 7%, another 2%, and then a little higher right here. This was at least a 12 to 15% type of trade. Ideally, a nice 10% gainer, right? So I just want to look at this. So remember, 102 to 122 is almost a month, and it was a nice time distance with a beautiful candle touching the bottom band with a decent K of right in here. So I just wanted to show you guys that's where I took the trade, and I took it one more time, which was right in here. Look at this beautiful reversal right in here. Beautiful reversal, just constantly going up. And what I want to show you is, boom. Look, price is hitting bottom band, and even if it hits bottom band, you're getting nice corrections on each side. But what I wanted to show you is the time distance. You wouldn't take these trades right here, even though it would have made you money. But look, there's no time distance. There's not enough. 821, it hit this candle right here. This was literally 829. That's like a week. You wouldn't have taken it. You want to wait for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So 821, which is our last touch right up in here, clearly touches the EMA 10, and then the next touch is right here at 925. That was a little over a month, and we almost had the touch right in here, but as you can see, we finally did it. So a little over a month, massive, because we are going to touch it. So as you can see, you accumulate the shares here. I remember perfectly, 3%, 8%, and it went up a lot right in here. Another 10 to 15% gains, and they add up religiously, right? So now I want to show you guys, we obviously made a new low. I was pointing this out before. I know a lot of retail traders were looking at this zone. I knew it was going to break it because a lot of retailers are looking at it and market makers know what we look at. That was not going to hold. People are thinking, okay, double bottom right here, I'm going to buy right here, and then it's going to go up. It's not, the reason why this doesn't work is it's just, one, it's too easy. If it was that easy, everyone would be looking at these double. Yes, they can work, but more often than not, it's not. You get this swift candle down before you even could do anything, and you're just losing money, right? Unless you had a really tight stop. But this candle alone was a 15%. And the reason why you don't want to trade right off the bat on these big candles, and that's why I use time distance. Right in here, we have a touch at 327. I said we got to wait a week to two. So we have 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day. That was 1 week right here. We got to wait a whole new week. So that's why you wait for the time distance. You wouldn't trade this even if it was at the bottom band, and bam, it's just constantly going down from there, even if you got the lowest of this big red candle. What I want to see is, hate to say it, but I want to see at the 2.72 level. That's kind of where it is. We need a 30-cent, at least a 30-cent haircut, and I'm looking at for that within next week time frame, so I can look into a touch of the middle, a touch of the EMA 10 is what I'm looking for. So what I want to see is we're getting a little bit of time distance. We have from we have 327 and it's 405. So we have like about a week right there, and then we want to wait till about 1 more week to look at this with a touch of the lower band and then a low K on the KDJ. The K on the KDJ is 6.59. You can see it right here when I hover over. It will show the thing. So that's my analysis. Obviously, I have a 100% win ratio on this stock, and in general, I only lost 1 trade in 6-month time frame. And the reason why I lost is because, one, it was a penny stock, and then it went up the next day, and I just was a little nervous about it. I let emotions get to me. So I only lost 1 trade in the last 6 months. So I have an over 95% win ratio doing this because I'm very conservative. I know exactly when to buy. I know what exactly my exit price, and I have a system that not everyone uses, and it's very unique, and only I have it because I've been studying a long time, a lot of lonely hours to look at what strategy works, and kind of just been backtesting so much that I found little secrets of my own accord that I like the time distance, these 3 bands, along with the KDJ. I don't want to clutter with so much indicators, and then since I'm a swing trader, I'm using high quality time frames. So I'm using the daily time frame. It's not like I'm day trading where these are lagging so hard, but since the daily is such a strong candle, it's a lot easier to do it on there. So that was a brief scenario of my system. Obviously, you will lose money if you don't have the proper education. So please go into the premium Discord of only $6 a month. You won't regret it. And what you get into this Discord, you get the training. You will have my education videos where I discuss exactly what to do. We do have day trade alerts if you want them. You're going to have my trade alerts, my swing trade alerts, which are going to be posted here. We actually had a nice 30% gainer after hours on BCAN. The chat is hype. As you can see, I have here's a little example. I said I'm buying BCAN at 0.99 and we'll look to accumulate. So I tell you exactly what I'm doing with my entries and exits. Not a lot of Discords do that, and they'll charge you hundreds of dollars. I've been in, and they'll just say, here's a watch list. I'm, of 5 stocks. Hope the best for you. There's no exit price. We think they can do 100% winners. I've seen it all the time. And then when they don't win, they go on and talk about another stock and act like it never existed. Not in this Discord. I'm very transparent. You're going to know when I enter and when I exit, and you're going to know my daily thoughts about it, even if it goes against us, and you're going to know exactly what my game plan is. So that's the premium Discord. If you do want to join, like I said, we are a family here. We're not toxic. We are here to help each other, because if you win, I win. More subscribers for me. I want to retain subscribers, and then obviously I want you guys to make money in return. So for only $6 a month, it is cheap because I want any account size to be able to join. And if you just want to test the waters, it's like, whatever, I'll come on in, right? So I hope you guys learned a lot. If you want to join the premium Discord, go down below into the YouTube comments below, and I will pin a link that says join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades, guys. You just gotta trust the process, okay? And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page that will look like this. It does not mean you are in you're subscribed. What you want to do is go to the subscriptions tab right here under all these channels, click on any of them. and it's cheaper if you do this on your desktop than doing it on your phone because you avoid the iOS fee. When you click on this, it'll give you a message saying, would you like to opt in to subscribe? You put in your card details, and it is safely processed with Discord, and you can cancel anytime if you want. But I promise you, I am going to get you well over the fee that you pay, and you're going to love it. So I hope you guys like this video. As you can see, I showed you back testing. I'm showing you guys exactly where I'm trying to get in with the time distance, and then where my target is, which is this EMA 10, and I put a stop loss. I show you guys how to use stop loss to ride this up as much as you can if you're in the Discord. So do join the Discord, and if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. It really helps me make more videos the more in type of engagement it is, because YouTube spreads it out to other retail traders or other people the more you guys engage. So those likes and subscribes and commenting, they actually help me want to make more videos. So please do that, and I appreciate it so much. And I will see you guys in the Discord, and thank you so much for watching. Peace out.